today, guys, we're gonna be making pizzelles, okay? I got a recipe over here. I adjusted a little bit. My mother used to use vegetable oil. I'm gonna use butter because it gives a little nice extra flavor. And besides, vegetable oil is no good for you, okay? So, the first step is we're gonna put 3 eggs. Ash bet 3 eggs over here. Don't try to break them like Luigi, like with one hand, because you're not a professional like I am, right? Forget about it. You're not a... As I got a half a dozen shells in there. No, I don't. No, I don't. So, these are pizzelles. My mother used to make these. I finally found the recipe, and I loved them. When my mother made them, I loved them. She loved making them. And obviously, I loved eating them. Okay, you're gonna take your 3 eggs, and all the ingredients and all that stuff, they're gonna be at the end of the video. Okay, so 3 eggs, whip nice. Okay, so they're all nice and mixed well. Okay, please don't worry about my cup of coffee over here. Got a little cup of coffee going. Okay, okay. It's Sunday. This is a special. I had to eat my macaroni early today. Oh, but seriously, this is a great, easy recipe. Okay, 3 eggs, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, granulated sugar. Throw it in. Okay, mix it all together. Whisk. Okay, and now we got to get our 1/2 cup of butter. This is supposed to be a 1/2 cup, which is a full stick. All right, we're gonna throw that right in there. Yeah, you know what? Get in there. Okay, that's good. Okay, let me throw this out over here. Rinse my hands off over here real quick. Okay. And, man, this kind of takes me back. Now, when we put the vanilla in the anise, my mother used to use real anisette to put in there, but my anisette is boxed up somewhere. I don't know. I don't drink. I don't need the drink. Or maybe I do need a drink. Huh? So just continue to whip this while your butter's melting. All right. So I got the 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of sugar over here. We're gonna throw in that. Oh, I said a 1/2 cup of butter, right? Did I say a 1/2 cup? 1/2 cup of butter. We'll throw that in. Butter's done. Okay. Perfect. Ooh, I think I should be making some lobster instead. Okay. Put that in there. Now, this is my first time making these, guys, so bear with me. Okay. I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna throw it in. Fresh bread. I'm gonna throw it in now. No. Okay, hold on. This is called anise. I like to call it anisette. Oh, that smells good. Teaspoon of that. Throw it in. Maybe a little bit more. Shh. Don't tell nobody. Okay. These are going to taste nice and old school. Teaspoon mazzese order. Hold on. Okay. Fresh bet. Thought this was open over here. Hold on. Just try not to go to the hospital, right? Throw this in there. Bang. Take this off. Hold on. We're doing a video over here. Get off. All right, hold on. Let me throw this up now. Luigi. Oh. So I hope everybody is doing well. Okay, dealing with the social climate, and political climate, and all that shit out there. We don't really talk about because, you know. But I hope everybody's doing good. And guys, by the way, this little pizzelle maker I bought, boom. Okay, this is just a small one. They sell doubles. I think they sell them in 4s, in 1 unit before. So I bought that just to do a little dry run, and we're gonna be giving some away, but those details will be coming, you know, down the road a little bit, a little further down the trough. All right. 1/2 cup of melted butter. Oh, is that a 1/2 cup? That is a 1/2 cup on the button, huh? Yeah. I must have said a 1/2 cup to begin with because it's a 1/2 cup. Okay. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Throw that in there. There you go. That's it. A little spilled up. That's all right. That's enough. Okay, throw that right in there. Whisk it up nice. Throw in the butter. Whoo! Oh, it's nice and loose now. Okay. Put that in the sink. That's all the ingredients. What do we got? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ingredients. Are you kidding me? That's it. Okay. 7 ingredients to make these delicious cookies. Now they're like lace cookies. Oh man, they're just so good. They're good. They're light. And I have a feeling I'm gonna have a problem over here. You know, I'm a chef Luigi. I'm not a baker. You know. But yeah, this is coming together nice. I probably should have used my KitchenAid. I didn't. Look at that. Nice. Huh? Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Will you guys look at it? Just look at it. Yeah, just look at that. Okay.
Luigi, what's the last thing you put in?
The last thing I put in is I put the cookie in my mouth. So I put a little bit of baking powder in. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. Oh, see, that's the consistency you're looking for. Like 70s style snack pack out of the can. Come on. You guys know what I'm talking about. Okay. So that was flour. So 1 3/4 cups of flour. So here's the rundown. And we'll again, it'll be at the end of the video. 3 eggs. 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix those together. Mix the eggs up first, okay? Mix the eggs. And then after you mix the eggs nice, and they get that yellow look to them, you're gonna throw in the sugar, okay? Throw the sugar in, and then your 1/2 cup of butter, your teaspoon of anise or anisette, whatever you want to use. If you use anisette, use a tablespoon, okay? The liquor. And a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. And you come up with something like that, all right? Smells good too. And you're gonna take a tablespoon. Okay. Sorry, I just had a real busy day today, guys. Okay, my head is all over the place. Forget about it. Okay, we're gonna take one of these. Yeah. Oh man, look at that. It's like, ooh, forget about it. Look at that. I'm gonna spill it though, huh? Yep. Okay, you're gonna take it, put it in there. Nice. Okay. And then, I don't know, we need a little bit more over here. I'm gonna put a little bit more. You know, some of these are come in different sizes. Yeah, I'll go with that. I don't know if they do or not. That could just be some nonsense. I don't know. But we're going to find out. If it comes pouring out of the side, we know we put too much. And I think we put too much. Didn't pour out of the side. So that is going to be about a minute and 20 seconds. All right, let's do a little timer over here. Oh, this phone, I hate it. I'm like, well, let me get a new phone over here. I don't know how to use this clock. I'm gonna just do a regular stopwatch. Here we go. Start. Okay. So it's gonna hit a minute and we'll do 10 seconds. Yeah, I put too much. But that's all right because you know I gotta taste test them anyway, right? So when these come out, you want them to be nice and light consistency. Look at it. It's already pouring out of the freaking thing over here. But I guess I could have just used a tablespoonful. Oh my God, it smells so good. Tablespoonful, and put the lid down and it'll flatten it out because you want it thin. It's not, you know, it's a thin wafery type of cookie, okay? And that's how you do it. So we're only at 40 seconds now. So when you're done cooking these, you put them in the tray and then the cooling rack, and then you put them in a tray. You get a little what do you call it? Confectionery sugar. You put the confectionery sugar over it. Forget it. It looks like you got it from a bakery. okay? Hey, my little Pizzelles, we're back. Okay, so here's the cookie, the Pizzelles, okay? They come off the thing, nice spatula, take them off, put them on the cooling rack. We would have all this, but we're on the cutting room floor, and we lost the footage. So now here we are reshooting the scene. So, put them on the cooling rack, throw them in there, little powdered sugar, bang. And also, guys, these, when they come off of here, they're very, very pliable. So if you want to make cannoli shells, or you want to bend in like a, like a taco, and put a little Nutella in there and eat it up, it's all old, okay? These are really good. The other thing, guys, the recipe is going to be at the end of the video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget, because you're going to enter to win one of these Pizzelle makers, okay? Here it is here, okay? And that's what you get. You're gonna enter, you're gonna follow the directions. Enter. I would personally mail this out to you. If I can find more Luigi the Italian Cooking Guy stickers, I'll throw them in the box and I'll send them off to you if you win. But you gotta follow the instructions. And that's about it, all right? So this is Luigi, the Italian Cooking Guy, saying, I love you guys. I can't wait for you guys to make the Pizzelles. They're delicious. They're delicious. You're going to love them. Forget about it. They're amazing. And they're very, very light. So this is Luigi, the Italian Cooking Guy, saying, salute and sta buon, my paisans.